If you are waiting to feel ready to speak English, you are already losing, because ready is a lie. In a quiet university, there was a professor. He was not famous on YouTube. He had no social media, but his students spoke English with confidence. One day, a new student asked him, "Professor, how did they learn so fast?" The professor didn't answer. He walked to the board and wrote 3 words: listen, repeat, live. The student frowned. "That's it?" The professor turned slowly. "No," he said. "That is everything." He pointed to the student. "You listen every day. Videos, movies, voices. Your brain is always watching, always learning." Then he said, "But listening is not enough." He wrote the second word again. "Repeat." "Not in your mind," he said. "With your voice. Even if your voice shakes. Even if you sound stupid. Even if no one hears you. Because your voice is a muscle, and muscles grow with use." The student felt nervous. "What if I make mistakes?" The professor smiled. "Mistakes are proof you are trying." Then he wrote the final word. Live. "English is not a subject," he said. "It is not homework. It is not a test. It is a life. Think in English. Whisper in English. Feel in English." He walked closer and said quietly, "The students who fail, wait. They wait to be ready. They wait to be perfect. They wait to be confident. And while they wait, they stay silent forever." Then he pointed to the confident students. They did not wait. They spoke when they were afraid. They spoke when they were unsure. They spoke when they were weak. And every time they spoke, they became stronger. The professor looked at the student one last time and said the truth no one wants to hear. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking. Silence feels safe, but silence is a prison. Your first broken sentence is the key. Your first mistake is freedom. Your first brave word changes everything. So speak now, not later, not tomorrow, now. Because one day you will realize English was never the enemy. Fear was, and fear disappears the moment you open your mouth.